AI is going to have a huge impact on medicine. With PACS and VNA, the deep learning robots can actually view almost all the images now without difficulty. Okay? And with that, AI is going to be a very significant part of improving the productivity of radiography. Before that, or even right now, actually, there's a huge shortage of radiologists. Almost every part of medicine now requires to look at the images. The challenge is the radiologists themselves. It takes 10, 15 years to become a full-time radiologist or a fully qualified radiologist, and that's a long time. And with so much more demand coming in, the challenges that the radiologists face of viewing 200-300 images a day, CT images a day, is very challenging. They have to, especially with screening happening now, they have to view every single image to check. AI, what will happen is after the deep learning, they will actually be able to recognize what's a normal image and what is an abnormal image. So they'll be able to separate out, for example, 10% that are unusual, indicate to the radiologist to look at these 10 units first, set priorities first, so that he can actually save the time, right? Save the time for the doctor. He's focusing on unusual activity instead of reviewing all and not knowing what is more critical and what is not critical. That's the first level of AI. The second level of AI is you will actually start seeing the systems be able to recognize not just highlights which are not normal, but they even indicate in reports where the problem areas are, and even possible diagnose or advise the doctor where to focus on for the diseases or something that's unusual. Right? They can highlight it in red or circle it out. So that's also going to improve the productivity of the doctors tremendously. And the third, ability to actually see the images everywhere you are. When you're with the patient, even share the images with the patient so you actually can explain what is happening. So these three activities, I think, are going to make a huge difference in medical imaging and medicine as a whole.
Join us this year at RCRT and RST 2019 at the Impact Forum from the 28th to 30th of March. We are at booth P1, and on the 29th is our lunch for Symposium. We invite you for that as well.